Hey, hello all, welcome back to our channel, guys. And actually, today is back to a teardown video only. Just now, we are going to open the smartphone entirely. Just now, we are going to do a teardown actually. Actually, here you can see this is the one of the most popular entry smartphone from Samsung in mid 2011 around here. Actually, this is a Samsung Galaxy Young model. Why? I think this Android version is 2.3 gingerbread it seems for this Android smartphone, and it's a 3-inch TFT LCD display, guys. Actually, okay, let's come on now. It's time to open this smartphone, and there's a camera is there. It seems it's a 2 MP rear camera actually. Actually, the smartphone is entirely gone. It's dead. It will not work anymore. There is issue in motherboard actually shown only. Just now I'm going to make a tear down. Okay, let's first we will open this panel now. You can see it's came. Actually, there is a removable battery only. There is no inbuilt battery actually. Let's come on. Just we will open this case first. There's a 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's a 4 screws there. We need to open it up now. Let's come on. Okay, just I will pause this video and I will resume it back, guys. Okay, let's go on. Oh, it's time to remove this out now. Yeah, it's game. We need to open this out. You can see. It's came. You can see. Here's the display, guys. Actually, okay, it's finally detached it seems from this motherboard actually. You can see here's the casing, and just need to keep this aside. And you can see here's the entire motherboard actually. You can see there is no screws. It just got molded it seems. Yeah, just got molded I think. Yes, it's very strong actually, but there is one screw is there here. We'll try to open it out. Okay, finally we have removed the screws also. You can see here's the entire motherboard of the Samsung Galaxy Y actually. You can see, and actually you can see in this motherboard there is a micro USB port for charging, and there's a jack, and there's a camera. Actually you can see it's a 2 MP camera actually. Just a minute. On the time there is no OS stabilization and all were not there actually. It's a 2 MP standard camera, and there's a SIM card slot, and there's a processor there. Actually they're using a Broadcom processor it seems actually. And there's a smartphone, and there is a vibrator motor is also there. We'll take this out. Yeah, it's came. You can see this is, you can see here's the vibrator motor actually. Let's look around that actually. It just got sticked with some glue it seems. Yeah, it's came. You can see it's a vibrator motor. Actually there's a old motherboards which just got released on year 2011 2012 around that year, which is just got manufactured this motherboard actually. And there's a code is also there, like a GTS5360 the model number. And here you can see the year is also there mentioned, 16/9/2011 actually. You can see here is also they mentioned, and they're using a Broadcom processor, it seems here, you can see, and this smartphone. And okay, let's come to the display. You can see here's the display, and there's a speaker is there. Actually, speaker which just got removed, actually, I think. Yeah, we have removed. Okay, we will remove this display also. Come on, we need to remove this display. Actually, we need to handle with care because it's a glass, so only. You can see finally we have removed a display from this Galaxy Young smartphone. You can see here's the display and this outer glass, and here you can see here's the connector is also there for this display. Actually, you can see there's the connector, and here's the display of the smartphone. Actually, it looks quite good. It's a 2.2 inch, I think. It's a TFT LCD display only. Let's keep this back. Yeah, that's it. And okay guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any queries or doubts, ask in the comment section. I'll reply. And please do like and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. I will see you in the next video.